Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to undisable Discord account. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to unmute. So first of all, open Discord login page, and now here you have to put the account user or email or phone number and the password which account has been deactivated. So I'm going to put in my account email and the password, and then click on login, and here we can see the notification showing up here, account disabled. So if you want to undisable account, we have to click on restore account, and that's it. Here we can see I successfully undisable my Discord account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute. Thank you for watching.